Hello and welcome back. Today we'll talk about different rules to name a variable in JavaScript and also some of the keywords. We will end the session by discussing comments in JavaScript. There are four main rules to name a variable in JavaScript. A variable name cannot contain spaces. It should not contain any special characters other than underscore or dollar. Also, the variable name should begin with a letter or an underscore or dollar symbol. You cannot have a number at the beginning of a variable name. Also, variable names are case sensitive. Let's open up our console and start coding with the wrong variable name and see what happens. When I provide num space 1, it shows unexpected number error because I have a space in between num and 1. Let's correct it. Now I have provided num1 and it says undefined. That means no value is assigned to the number 1. Now let us try using an underscore. No error is thrown. That means underscore is allowed. Let us clear the console and play around with the wrong values. Here I've tried with an incorrect value, that is hyphen symbol, to declare a variable. So what happens if I declare a variable with a hyphen symbol? A syntax error is caught saying unexpected token. The same thing happens if I provide a question mark or any other wrong values. Also, you cannot just have numbers as a variable name. It says unexpected number. Now let's see what happens if I use underscore or dollar symbol when declaring variable. From the console, you can see that the variable is declared successfully. Now let's check with dollar. Again, the behavior was right. We were able to declare a variable successfully. Now let me declare a variable called say hello. I'll also try to demonstrate different symbol while declaring variable. So if you see now, I'll split say and hello using an hyphen. Automatically you see that it is not a right way of declaring a variable. If you are curious, you can try all the special characters on the keyboard. Moving on, let's talk about case sensitivity. So if at all you declare a variable using a lowercase and try accessing the same variable in an uppercase, you will not be able to do so. According to JavaScript, they both are two different variables. Let me try calling say hello in lower cases. You see undefined. That is because I defined say hello before. We'll now see keywords in JavaScript. What are keywords? Keywords are tokens that have special meaning in JavaScript. These are the words that you cannot use as identifiers, as a variable names, function names, and loop labels. Feel free to pause the screen and look at all the keywords displayed in the video. I believe by now you would have seen some of these keywords like var, const, let, etc. Now let us see what are comments in JavaScript. Comments are annotations in the source code of a program that are ignored by interpreter and therefore have no effect on the actual output of the code. But it is very important because using that you can write what the below code is doing or who the author of the code is. Now let us look at syntax to write comments. You can either have a single line comment or multi-line comments. If you ignore the syntax and write plain text, you see something called unexpected error. So to remediate this, you use double slash in front of the text you would like to comment. This is how you comment a single line sentence. Now let us look at multi-line comments. To do this, you start with a forward slash and an asterisk and enter your comments. Again, to end this, you end with an asterisk and a forward slash. We have reached the end of the video and I hope you understood everything about comments, variable declaration rules, and the keywords. Hope to see you in the next one. If you like the content, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you.